Children, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to see a very important chapter, number 11, lines and angles. In this chapter we are going to discuss a very important and basic concept. Okay, so listen the class carefully. First of all, we are going to recall some concept that you have already learned in standard 6. In the 6th standard, I have explained this concept in one way. Now we are going to see the same concept in different way. Okay. First, we are going to discuss about line segment. Okay. Look at the board, children. What is mean by line segment? It is perfectly straight and the shortest distance between 2 points. How they are defining is line segment is perfectly straight. It means this is straight and shortest distance between 2 points. If you take any 2 points, it is the shortest distance between the 2 points. See, I can move this point A to B in different ways, like this. So this is one way, moving a point from A to B, and this is the another way to move from a point A to B. And this is also a way we can move from the point A to B. So this is the shortest distance between 2 points. This shortest distance we are naming as line segment. Do you understand, children? This is my line segment. It is perfectly straight and the shortest distance between 2 points. Similarly, the line segment has 2 endpoints. See here, A is a line segment. It has how many endpoints? 2 endpoints. 1, 2. They are 2 endpoints, and it has a definite length. We can measure this line segment. What is the measure of the line segment? We can measure it that it is 26 cm up to. Okay. So line segment means it has 2 endpoints and it has definite length. See here, the scale is also a model for line segment because it has a definite length and it has 2 endpoints. Okay, and it is also straight. Okay. See the next one. Ray. What is mean by ray? They are defining ray on the basis of line segment. Okay, listen carefully. When one end of a line segment is extended endlessly. What they are giving explanation for ray? When one end of a line segment is extended endlessly. Okay. If you extend one end of a line segment, you get ray. See here, this is a model of ray. It has one starting point and it goes in this direction. That is, it extends endlessly in the direction of Q. Okay. See here, children. Think this is a line segment AB. Now I am going to extend this. See, extend this in one direction. See, this is a line segment. Now I am going to extend this line segment in one direction. That is in my right hand side direction. So if you extend a line segment in one direction, you get a ray. If you extend a line segment in one direction, you get a ray. Do you understand? I say at the same time, if you extend a line segment in both the direction, you get line. Do you understand, children? This is a line segment. If you extend this line segment in one direction, you get ray. If you extend this line segment in both the direction, you get line. Okay. Once again, we are going to see the definition of ray and line. Okay. See here, what is mean by ray? When one end of a line segment is extended endlessly. Endlessly means it does not go to end, it was going on. Okay, what is the notation for ray is you have to write like this PQ and you have to above the letters PQ you have to draw the ray like this in shortly. Similarly, we can write the line segment as AB and short bar are above the alphabets. Okay, next we are going to see line. What is the line? When a line segment is extended endlessly in both the directions, we can get a line. Okay, see here. Here we put one arrow mark. Here also we have an arrow mark. It means what? It goes endlessly. Whenever the arrow mark comes, it means it goes endlessly. Do you understand, children? See here. Rail has one endlessly direction. Line has two endlessly direction. That is, line does not end. Okay, it was going on like that. What is the symbol for line? You have to write like this xy, and above the xy you have to put the small symbol of line like this. Okay, these are the concepts we have already discussed in chapter 6 also. Okay, next we have short note here. Ray and line cannot be measured. We can measure the ray. Sorry, we can measure the line segment, but we can't measure the ray until line. Why we can't measure the ray and line? Yes, very good. Because it extends endlessly. So we can't measure ray and line. Do you understand, children? Okay. Next we are going to see about angle. How can you get angles? Say two rays. They are taking two rays meet at a point. Two rays meet at a point are said to form an angle at their meeting point. Okay, their means two rays. Okay, two rays meet at a point. Two rays meet at a point are said to form an angle at their meeting point. See here, OQ is one ray and OP is another ray. Thus we have two rays. These two rays are meeting at a point. So O is the meeting point. At the meeting point they form an subspace. This space is said to be angle. We are measuring the angle by using the unit degree. That's why we are writing it as x degree. Do you understand, children? Once again I am reading the definition. Two rays meet at a point are said to form an angle at their meeting point. See here, this space is said to be angle formed by these two rays. Okay, how can we denote the angle? See here, we have to use the symbol like this, and inside the symbol you have to write the name of the angle like this. How can you write the name of the angle? The angle is x degree. We can name it by using the rays. How can you write? POQ. How can you write the name of this angle? POQ. See here, angle POQ, which is equal to x degree. Suppose if you have the angle like this, AOB, means how can you write this angle? I name this angle as y. How can you write this angle? Yes, AOB, and AOB equal to y degree. Do you understand, children? Also we can write this angle as BOA. Okay, similarly we can also write this angle as QOP. It means in the middle of the two alphabets definitely it should contain the O, because at the vertex O only we have that angle. Okay, do you understand? Okay. Next we are going to see types of angles. We have already discussed some of these types. Now once again we are going to discuss these types of angles very deeply. Okay. First we are going to see acute angle. What is meant by acute angle? If the angle lies between 0 and 90 degree, such angles are said to be acute angle. For example, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree are called acute angles. Similarly, what is meant by right angle? If the angle is equal to 90 degree, such angles are said to be, that is 90 degree, it is called right angle. What is meant by obtuse angle? Angle lies between 90 and 180 degree. It means it should be greater than 90 and lesser than 180 degree. It should be greater than 90 degree and lesser than 180 degree. Such angles are said to be obtuse angles. Okay. And what is meant by straight angle? An angle of 180 degree is called straight angle. Also we call the 180 degree as angle of straight line. Okay. Next, reflex angle. What is meant by reflex angle? Angles which are greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree are said to be reflex angle. What is meant by complete angle? Complete angle means an angle of 360 degree is said to be complete angle. See here, children. This is a instrument which is called as angle tester. Okay. What is the name of this? Angle tester. Now the angle is 0 degree. Now it is, what type of angle is this? Yes, this is acute angle. Now it is also acute angle. See here, what type of angle is this? It is angle equal to 90 degree. So it is a right angle. Now, what type of angle is this? It is obtuse angle. We understand children, this is obtuse angle. This is right angle and this is acute angle and this is right angle and this is obtuse angle. If the two rays come opposite to each other, we get straight angle. We understand children, this is acute angle, this is right angle and this is obtuse angle and this is straight angle. Then how do you get this reflex angle? See here. This angle is said to be reflex angle. Do you understand children? This angle is said to be reflex angle. This is acute, right, obtuse and this is reflex angle because reflex angle is lies between 180 degree and 360 degree. It means that x degree is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. After the one complete rotation, that arms comes together. This complete angle is said to be 360 degree. Okay, the angle of circle. Okay, the angle of circle is said to be 360 degree. Thus, what are the types of angle? Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Acute angle means that x degree greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. It means acute angle lies between 0 and 90 degree. And 90 degree is said to be right angle. And what is going to be obtuse angle? That x degree greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. And the angle of 180 degree is said to be straight angle. Similarly, what is going to be reflex angle? The angle which lies between 180 degree and 360 degree. And the 360 degree is said to be complete angle. It's clear, children? Next, children, we are going to discuss a concept about pair of angles. Now we are going to discuss pair of angles. What are the nature of pair of angles? Pair means we have to take two angles. See here. First we are going to discuss about complementary angles. What is mean by complementary angles? Two angles are called complementary. Whenever two angles are said to be complementary angles, if sum of their it means two angles. There means two angles here. Okay. Two angles are called complementary angles if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Sum means add. So if two angles are said to be complementary angles, if their sum is 90 degree. See here some examples. 70 degree and 20 degree are said to be complementary angles. Why? If you add 70 and 20, you get 90 degree. Okay, so we can call these two angles as complementary angles. For complementary angles, you must take two angles, not less than two angles, not more than two angles. Complementary angle means two angles only you have to consider. Okay. Next, see the next example, 80 and 10. That is 80 degree and 10 degree are said to be complementary angles. So, why we are saying this as complementary angles? Because if you add these two angles, 80 degree plus 10 degree, your answer is 90 degree. So, these angles are said to be complementary angles. Similarly, 45 degree and 45 degree. If you add these two angles, again you get 90 degree only. So, we can say these two angles as complementary angles. Also, listen carefully, children. We can say this 70 degree as complement of 20 degree. Do you understand, children, what I am saying? We can call 70 degree as complement of 20 degree. Similarly, we can also call 20 degree as complement of 70 degree. Similarly, what is the complement of 80 degree? 10 degree. What is the complement of 10 degree? 80 degree. Similarly, what is the complement of 45 degree? 45 degree. Because they are equal, so each of them are same answer. See here. What is the complement of 70 degree? 20 degree. And what is the complement of 80 degree? 10 degree. What is the complement of 10 degree? 80 degree. I hope you all understand. Okay. Next we are going to do some problems based on this concept complementary angles. Okay. See the first sum. Which of the following are complementary angles? They are asking, we have to check whether the given angles are complementary or not. We know by the definition of complementary angles, if sum of the two angles are equal equal to 90 degree, then we call that angle as complementary angle. See here, first sum is 39 degree and 51 degree. So we have to add the two angles, 39 plus 51 degree, 9 plus 1, 10, remainder 1. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 90 degree. Thus 39 plus 51 is equal to 90 degree. That is the two angles, that is the sum of the two given angles is equal to 90 degrees. So as per the definition of complementary angles, we can call these two angles 39 degree and 51 degree as complementary angles. So we have to write 39 degree and 51 degree are complementary angles. Do you understand? See the next sum. 25 degree and 60 degree. We have to check whether they are complementary or not. For that you have to add the two angles. So 25 degree plus 60 degree. So what is your answer? 85 degree. But it is not equal to 90 degree. The sum should be equal to 90 degree. Then only we call such angle as complementary angles. So here we have to write they are not complementary angles. Do you understand, children? Okay. Next, see the second sum. Find the complement of 29 degree and 60 degree. The first sum is 29 degree. We have to find the complement of 29 degree. How can you find the complement of a given angle? By subtracting the given angle from 90 degree, you can get its complement. See here. In the solution part we have to write complement of 29 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 29 degree. So by subtracting 29 from 90 you get the answer 61 degree. If you add 61 plus 29, what is your answer? 9 plus 1, 10, 70, 80, 90. Thus the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. So they are complementary angles. That's why they are asking complement of 29 means we have to subtract the given angle from 90 degree. Do you understand, children? So in the question if they are asking find the complement of some angle means you have to subtract that angle, that particular given angle from 90 degree. You get that answer. Okay. Thus we get the answer 61 degree. See the next sum 60 degree. Complement of 60 degree. How can you find the complement of 60 degree? By subtracting 60 from 90, you get 30 degree. Thus, complement of 60 degree is 30 degree. What is the complement of 30 degree? By subtracting the 30 from 90, you get the answer 60. So, in that case, we can say complement of 30 is 60. Do you understand, children? Okay. Next, we are going to see our problem. Read the question, children. The difference between an angle and its complement is 50 degree. Find the angles. Do you understand the question? The difference means what is the operation? Subtraction. The difference between an angle, they gave us one angle, and its complement. They have to consider, that is we have to consider one angle and its complement, and the difference between the two is 50 degree. Find the two angles. Okay, we understand? See here, let the angle be. Now we are going to consider that angle as x degree. Let the angle be x degree. See here, children, if the angle is 60 degree, complement of 60 is 90 minus 60. If the angle is 29 degree, complement of 29 is 90 minus 29. If the angle is 30 degree, its complement is 90 minus 30. If the angle is x and complement of x is, how can you define? If the angle is x, complement of x is, yes, very good, 90 minus x. Do you understand, children? Let the angle be x degree and complement of x degree can be found by 90 minus x degree. Do you understand, children? We have taken the unknown angle as x and its complement as 90 minus x. And what is given in the question? The difference between an angle and its complement. First you have to take that angle and then complement of that angle which gives 50 degree. Do you understand, children? The difference means subtraction. Difference between an angle and its complement is equal to 50. Do you understand? What is the data given to the question? Difference between an angle and its complement is equal to 50. How can we define the angle? We are defining that angle B. Yes. So here we have to take that angle as yes. And complement of x. What is the complement of x? 90 minus x. So this is the given data. That is difference between an angle and its complement is 50. Now we have to find the two angles. For that you have to find the value of x. Now we are going to remove the bracket. See here, write the x as it is. Now we have to remove this bracket by multiplying the minus with this symbol. So here you have to understand the symbol is plus, minus into plus, minus 90 degree, minus into minus, plus x degree, which is equal to 50 degree. Do you understand, children? Difference of an angle and its complement equal to 50. Now we are going to remove the bracket. After removing the bracket, here we have minus 90, minus into minus, plus x, which is equal to 50. Now we have to add the like terms, that is x degree plus x degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 50 degree. If the x degree means its coefficient is understood, it is 1. Similarly, what is the coefficient of x degree? 1. So, in order to add the like terms, we have to add the numerical coefficient. So, 1 plus 1 x degree minus 90 degree equal to 50 degree. So 1 plus 1 2. So 2x minus 90, which is equal to 50. We understand up to this, children? We have to find the value of x. So as per the solving the linear equation, to find the value of unknown things, we have to make free from its terms. So we have to bring this minus 90 to LHS to RHS. So in the next step, we have to write 2x equal to 50 plus 90 degree. 50 degree plus 90 degree. So what is our answer? 140 degree. So 2x equal to 140 degree. Next we have to find the value of x. So we have to bring this 2 to right hand side. Here the operation between x and 2 is multiplication. While removing their terms from LHS to RHS, its symbols are reversed. So it comes here in division. So we have to cancel the 140 by 2. So 1 2 is 2, 7 2 are 14, 70 degree. Thus x equal to 70 degree. Thus we have found out one angle. What is that angle? X degree equal to 70 degree. But we have to find the two angles. What is the other angle? The other angle is its complement. How can we define its complement? 90 minus x. So now we are going to find the second angle. So 90 minus x, which is equal to 90 minus, instead of x you have to substitute the value 70 degree. So 90 minus 70, what is our answer? 20 degree. Therefore, the two angles are 70 degree and 20 degree. Do you understand, children? These are the two angles. Now listen to the question. The difference between an angle and its complement is 50. What are the two angles? 70 and 20. Difference between means you have to separate the two angles. 70 minus 20. What is your answer? 50. Thus we have found the two angles. The two angles are 70 and 20. It's clear, children?
My dear children, we have already discussed about like terms and unlike terms. See the image, children. In the first row, you are seeing 3 apples and 2 apples. Between that, you have the symbol of plus. Since 3 apples and 2 apples are same kind of fruit, that is both are apples, so we can combine them. So totally we have 5 apples. So in the answer part you are having 5 apples. See the second row. You are seeing 3 bananas and 3 apples. Since banana and apple are different kind of fruits, we can't combine them. That is, we can't add them. So we can't write the answer. Okay. Similarly, only the like terms should be added, like terms should be subtracted. Do you understand, children? See the third row. You are seeing 3x plus 2x. Since 3x and 2x are like terms, like apples, we can add them. So we are writing the answer as 5x. See the fourth row, 3x plus 2y. Since 3x and 2y are unlike terms, that is, they are not like terms. So unlike terms should not be added or subtracted. So in the answer part, you are writing the question as it is, as 3x plus 2y. I hope you understand the concept of like terms very well. Thank you.